Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson Pretty. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the Lollipop live stream for beginners. So if you are new on Lollipop Live and you don't know how to use this app, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this app. If this is the first time of you seeing this channel, please do to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. So let's quickly dive into the video. So if you want to have this Lollipop live stream app on your device, all you need to do is to go back to your apps and click on the App Store. If you're using an iPhone, you go to your Play Store and search in for Lollipop live screen chat. So you're going to be installing the Lollipop live stream with this Lollipop Pro app profile. So you're going to be installing the Lollipop live stream with this Lollipop app profile. So once you're done doing that, once you're done installing it, you click on the open button. You can see the open button on the front of the live screen. Once you click on the open button, it will take you direct to your Lollipop live stream. So on your Lollipop live stream, you're going to be asked to sign up using your Google. You're going to be signing up with your Gmail account. So once you're done signing up, you're going to ask to create a password. You're going to be creating a password, which means you're going to be having an account with Lollipop. So once you're done doing that, this is what you're going to be seeing on your screen on the home page of your Lollipop app. So this is people live and people party on Lollipop. So in order for you to join people live and party, you just need to click on any of the party you want to join and join the live party. So if you want to go party or you want to go live on your own, all you need to do is to click on the Go Party live screen on the bottom of your screen. You can see the Go Party at the bottom of your screen. So once you click on the Go Party icon on the bottom of your screen, so once you click on that, you're going to be seeing something like this. You can see this is the party. You go party with others. You don't just go alone. You're going to be inviting people to come party with you on Lollipop live stream. So on the bottom of the screen, you can see the Go Party and the live stream and the chats. So live stream, you go live stream alone where you show yourself on Lollipop. With the chat, you go chat, and that's all. In order for you to go live on Lollipop, you have to unlock the level 3 on Lollipop app. So let me quickly show you guys how to unlock your levels. So yeah, on your Lollipop home profile, you're going to be seeing levels. These are levels on the Lollipop live stream. You have up to level 30 on Lollipop. So let me show you guys how to unlock all these levels on Lollipop. So if you want to unlock these levels on Lollipop, what you need to do is to buy coins and spend them on people's live stream in order for you to unlock these levels so that you can go live, go party, go live chat on Lollipop. So let me show you guys how to buy coins on Lollipop. You can see the T coin on the home on the profile, the T coin. Click on that, and this is what you're going to be seeing. So in order for you to buy 6,500 coins, you need to have $0.99. In order for you to buy 32,500 coins, you have to have $4.99. Let me show you guys how to spend these coins after you have buy them. So if you want to spend the coins that you have buy from your homepage. You need to join someone's live stream on Lollipop live stream. Once you click on any of those live streams, you join someone's live or party. So once you join someone's live stream on Lollipop app, you are going to see this gifts icon over the bottom of your screen. You are going to be clicking on that, and these are gifts on Lollipop. All these gifts worth coins. So you can see the card worth 100 coin. So if you gift this person this card, you are going to be spending 100 coin on this live stream. So that is it on how to spend coins on live stream. Let me show you guys how to edit your profile. If you want to edit your profile, you're going to be seeing the pencil icon on the top right corner of your screen. I'm going to click on that, and once you have clicked on that, this is what you're going to be seeing on your screen. You're going to be editing your name, and that's it on how to edit Lollipop. So that is it on how to edit your name on Lollipop. That is it for now. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. See you guys in my next video. Bye.